when 101st Constitution Amendment Act was implemented. There were smiles all across. Everybody was waiting with a bated breath for this reform to come into force. Perhaps the most significant post-independence tax reform. There were two unique factors of this major reform. One was the unique IGST model, which ensured that both the state and the federal government gets power to tax both goods and supplies. The second was the formation of the GST Council. This was the beginning of cooperative federalism, the body which would ensure that major decisions are based on appropriate recommendations. In these 4 years of GST, we have seen more than 700 notifications, more than 150 circulars, and lot of advanced rulings and writ petitions. In these 4 years, we have seen how tax provisions have been interpreted by courts based on the provisions of the Indian Constitution, such as Article 14 for arbitrary and discrimination, for Article 21, wherein the right to life has been made applicable to certain tax provisions, and Article 300A of the Constitution for vested rights in credits. So overall, the years have been very dynamic so as to ensure that diverse benefits are given to different sectors. If the question is asked whether this is the final journey towards getting the optimal result, the answer is that we may need to do few more things for this to be implemented in a proper way. But the generations ahead will certainly remember these 4 years of hard work by all stakeholders.